Do you want to learn how to build your own bulk SMS website and turn it into a money-making site? If your answer is yes, then stick around till the end of the video because you're going to learn a lot from this training video. This is a full course on bulk SMS gateway. So this website we'll be setting up is a SaaS business model. That means users are going to pay you monthly, yearly to send bulk SMS to their customers. Before we begin, let's understand what a bulk SMS website is. So when we talk of a bulk SMS site, it's a type of website that allows business owners to send bulk SMS campaigns to their customers by uploading their customers list onto your platform. And that means they're going to purchase one of your plans and then they'll be able to send bulk SMS to their customers. Before we start building this site, it is most important to understand how it works. Users will land on your site and click on Start Sending. Your website will take them to your pricing section. You can set your own prices, all right? Everything is customizable. I'm going to show you how you can build everything from scratch. All right, so you have 3 plans here. We have basic plan. You can give them your own names. So I have basic, plus, and then unlimited. With basic plan, I'm charging $10 per month. You can also change your pricing plans. It doesn't matter, all right? I'm only going to give you the idea and you go ahead and do your own things. All right, so with the basic plan, your users will be able to, those who opt in for this basic plan will be able to send up to 2K messages, and they can also upload up to 1K contacts. Please, everything is customizable. You can change anything you want. You can make it 2K, that's 2,000 contacts, 4,000, the way you want, you can do it, okay? But this gets my own way of doing things. Now you tell them what they will get when they buy this plan. And then we have plus, they can upload up to 2K contacts, but you see on the basic they can only upload 1K, that's 1,000 contacts. You can reduce it. With the plus, they can send up to 4,000 messages, 2 gig storage. With the unlimited plan, which I call a saver plan, because if they were to pay monthly $10, 12 months, that would be $120, all right, in a month. Good. But if they upgrade to this plan, which is the yearly plan, they're going to save up to $20. So most of them will be tempted to go for the unlimited and the saver plan. All right, so most of them will see this and this as cheat, so they'll go in for your unlimited plan, which is the saver. All right, and this way it will help you get huge money up front, okay? And you also get dedicated customers. You can also make it one time, which is something I don't recommend. But if you want to make it one time, that means you have to increase this amount. That way you get that money and then you start promoting your service, okay? So offering something one time, something like this one time, means you want to get huge money up front and then use that money to promote your business, because something like $10 in a month is not going to help you. But something like $200 one time, you can use that money to run ads and then promote your website. Okay, so that's just something to take note. Now they'll scroll down a bit and then they'll click on try now. Okay, you want them to have a feel of your platform for like 1 week before opting in, or before you can charge them. You can build their credit cards, because it's their first time. They will not trust your service, so you want to give them that trust, that feel. They'll go ahead and use your service, try it out. So giving them 7-day trial is a recommended way of running this business. Okay, So they click on try now, and because I'm already logged in, you are not seeing the registration page. Okay, so it's taking us directly to our dashboard. Okay, so this is going to be their dashboard. All right, let me take you back and send you on top. So after they register an account, they'll be able to log in. So there's a link here. They can click here to log in. All right, but because I'm logged in already, it will take me to the dashboard. And as you can see, this is their dashboard, and this is where they're going to be sending their messages. This is where they'll be able to add their mobile devices. They can blacklist some of their contacts. They can create a mailing template, and anytime they want to send messages, they just pull it from this template and use. This is where they have their contact list. I'll be showing you how to use these features. We have messages, sender, USSD, autoresponders. I'll teach you how you can create this. Now let me scroll down. I'll be teaching you how you can give them access to your mobile app, which comes with your website. Okay, so user will click here, download app, and they'll be able to download this app onto their mobile devices and start using it to send messages. Now inside here you can see this, their general statistics: number of messages pending, number of messages delivered, failed messages, scheduled messages, messages on queue, sent messages, and a lot. They can click here to buy credit. All right, available credit. So let's say they exhaust the credit you give them, then they can add extra credit here by clicking on get credit, and you can link this to any part of your website. All right, so after you click on get credit, now you can see it's taking us back to our packages. I'll be teaching you how to do amazing things with this platform. Hello, in this part of the video I'll be showing you how everything works from scratch. So I've opened the site in a new incognito mode. Now users will click on start sending and then scroll down and pick one of your plans. Now this user will be taken to a registration page just like this. You want them to try it for free for like 2 days, 3 days, or 1 week, depending on your terms. Please, your users will enter their first name, email, and then enter the same email to confirm, and then click on register. Okay, so let me do that. I've entered my name, that's my username, and my emails. I'll click on register. After a successful registration, your users are going to get this email, and this email contains vital information pertaining to their account. So they have their login details here. The first one is their server. So this is the link they will be using to log in via their mobile devices. So this is for our mobile app. I'll show you how you can log in through your mobile app. You have your email and password. Now this email is the one you'll be using to log in to your system, and then this is your password. Now let me take you to, all right, so first we have server, and this server represents our website URL. So we simply copy our server and then we paste it in here. So this is a way of logging into your mobile app. There are two ways. One is to enter your login details manually. The second one is to use the QR code. Okay, and your email comes with a QR code they can scan. Let's scroll down. And you can see this is a QR code they can scan. They can even download it in order to get access to their mobile app. And as you can see, this is the QR code they can scan in order to get access to their dashboard via mobile phone. I'm only giving you a tour on how it works, but I'll be showing you in depth how to integrate your application with your mobile app that comes with the software. So your users will be following that guide in order to integrate it with their mobile apps. So that's the QR code. Scroll up and then you'll be able to see a link here, and this is a link they can follow in order to download your mobile app. There's also one inside their dashboard. So when you go to dashboard and then scroll down, you see download app. There are two ways of downloading the app. One is via their dashboard, the other one too is through their email. Okay, in this part of the training, I'll be showing you how your users can add or link their devices to your platform and then start sending bulk SMS through your platform. For this, I'll take you to my second account here, which is for demo purposes, because this account has some credit in there that I can use to send bulk SMS for demo purposes. So I click on dashboard. Now as you can see, we have 198 available credit that I can use to send test SMS. Now to link your mobile device, go to devices, and you can link as many devices as you want. This is the oldest device Android phone in history. This itel A16. Now I'm using this to show you as a proof that even old Android phones work with this platform. So it doesn't matter the phone you use, is going to work well on this platform. Now to link your device, just click on add device, and this is instruction your users can follow to add their Android phones in this system. If they don't have the app, they can download the latest version of the Android app from this link, and then after that they'll install it on their phones and then launch the app. Okay, now this app will not be available on Play Store. Okay, so you have to host it locally. I'll teach you how you can do that. There are several ways of doing it. And then you open the app. So they'll open the app and there's a place they can click on sign in using QR code. All right, and then they'll be able to scan this code and boom, the app will be synchronized with the software. After that, they'll be able to see their mobile device here. Right now my device is disconnected. I'll go ahead and reconnect my device, and then we'll send a text message to one of my phone numbers, and then after that we'll start building this website. I have successfully linked my Android phone to the platform, and as you can see, this green mark which is connected, we are all set. So the messages tab, which is this one, will help you see the number of messages you have received. But if you want to send message, go to sender, and then my device has two SIMs. Okay, SIM 1 and then SIM 2. Now if you want to send a message, just click here and then add your telephone number. You can include +233, that's your country code, like this, and then you can remove the 0 this way. If you want to schedule this message, pick here and then you choose the starting. When do you want to send out this message? I want to send it instantly, so I will leave it. What type of message are you sending? Is it SMS or MMS? I will leave it as SMS. Now I'll teach you how you can create templates. That way you just click on it and pick your template, and everything will be populated inside here for you. That way you don't have to go in manually and type your messages. Okay, so to send a message, just type your message here like this. Perfect. Now messages sent from this device is going to use your SIM card as a gateway. So I'm going to be using my SIM 2. Because of that, I'll close one and pick only what? SIM 2. So I'll just click here and then pick only SIM 2 like this, and then we are done. So I'm using SIM 2 to send my messages, and the message will be sent to this number. So this, if you are sending to one person, scroll down and then we click on what? Send. Okay, just click on send and wait, and message sent successfully. All right, the message that we get sent has been received. So I guess receive a notice. So just come here, click there, here, and then this is my mobile device, sorry, my number. I'll click on it, and as you can see, hello, how are you doing today? Now send using demo version of this and that. Okay, so this is for demo purposes, but in your case this will not be added. All right, so this is proof that it works. So that's the message that we just received. So now to send bulk SMS, just click on download example file. So I'll click on that, and then this is an Excel file that we'll be using to import our numbers. So wait for it to download. We have successfully downloaded our Excel. So just click on it to open, or double click on it to open it. Now this file contains our numbers, message you want to send, and the names. If you want to personalize your messages, please go ahead and enter their names as indicated. So I assume you have made your changes. So we enter our numbers here. I paused the recording and I went ahead and added all my numbers, and then you see the second column, which is B. This is where you enter your messages. Now take note, if the messages you want to send out is different, like vary, okay, the messages you want to send out vary, it's not the same message, please make sure you enter your specific messages here. So for demo purposes, the first message is where is my book, and this message is going to Kara Collins. The second message is where is my pen, and this message will be going to who? Jackson. Where is my chair message will be forwarded or delivered to who? This person. But in the case where you have one message going to all of them, just type the message in here in the first box, and then just drag it down to all your list or your contacts. Okay, so I'll send one message to all, so I'll do that. And now we have where is my book as a message going to all my contact list. So now after that, make sure you have their names right. But if you're using a third party, this will not be a case, because there will be a way of downloading their contact list, and then you just import it here and then upload it to your site, and off you go. So now let's save our file. So click here, go to Save As, and then go to Excel Workbook. Please, we're going to give our file a name, so I'll name it sample 3. You can give it whatever name you want. Okay, after that, we change the location of that's our destination, which is on desktop, so we want it to be saved on the desktop, and then I'll click on Save. Now our file is saved successfully, our contacts. Next up, we need to go back to our web browser and make sure you are on the sender tab. Okay, and then you scroll down, and this is where you send multiple, that's bulk SMS. Please, let's go to desktop. Go to desktop, and then you look for example 3, drag it and drop it. So let's go back to the browser and drop it here like this. I want to send this message via SIM 2, so I simply remove SIM 1 and then click outside. To schedule this message, this is where you do it, but I want to send it instantly. Scroll down, and if you want, you can enter your message here once again, and I'll be showing you how you can personalize your messages. All right, so in order to personalize your messages, you put something like hello, and then you put percentage, name, percentage. So when they receive the message, it's going to be hello, and then followed by the name you specified in your Excel. Okay, and then I'll put how was your day. I guess add this is test, like this message. So how was your day? Excellent. So we scroll down and we click on what? Send, and then this message will be sent out, and you can see 3 messages sent successfully. So all my contacts are going to receive this message at once on a go. Okay, you can go back to your dashboard, and then you'll be able to track every message sent. I just received my message, so I'll go to my SIM card, and then I'll open it, and as you can see, hello Kara Collins, you can see that, and this for demo purposes, but my name is not Collins, but this is coming from the name we specified inside our Excel. And so I hope this rundown was interesting to you, and if you would like to learn step by step how to build this, then stay tuned, because in this part of the video we are now going all in to start building this website. Now this site has 2 areas we're going to be focusing on. The first one is the front end, and let me take you to the front end. We have the front end of the site, or the landing page, where users are going to see more details about your website, about your agency, and here you'll be able to showcase list the kind of services you offer, give them your features, explain everything front end, okay, via the front end. And we're going to do that using WordPress, and then we'll also be able to create packages like this, and then our about us, and then our contact details, our footer, our menus, and everything. So we're going to create our front end, and finally we'll build our dashboard, and then later connect our front end with our dashboard. That way users will be able to navigate from here, which is your front end, all the way to your dashboard. That means when they click on login, it's going to take them to your dashboard. So if you are excited, let's see the things we will need in order to build a website like this. Okay, so before you build any kind of website, it doesn't matter the kind of website you want to build, be it a business website, a blogging website, a shopping website, or any generic website. There are two things you need to get started, and that is a domain name and web hosting. If this is your first time hearing these terms, don't worry, let me explain. So when we talk of your hosting account, is a supercomputer, also known as a web server, that keeps your website live on the internet 24/7. They are the same computers that keep Google live on the internet and Facebook live on the internet. Just think of any website on this planet. They are the things that are keeping our websites on the internet 24/7. So the speed and performance of your website mainly depends on your hosting provider. The next thing we will need to build our website is domain name. Domain name is nothing but the address of your website. Google.com is a domain name. Pixabay.com is a domain name. Hoodly.com is a domain name. Canva.com is a domain name. It is the name people are going to use to always remember your website. And then anytime they want to come to your website, they type it on the web browser, the search box, and then hit enter and land on your website. You know, as human beings, we all have names. I'm called Solomon. You also have your name. It's your identity. Okay, so that's a domain name. With that being said, let's go ahead and purchase our domain name and web hosting from this hosting provider called makigohost.com. In the description of this video, you see a link which is get 50% off. Okay, click on that link, and that's an affiliate link. After you click on it, it will take you to a page just like this. Please, on top, hover on it and then click on shared hosting. You'll be brought to this page. Please go ahead and read what is here. Scroll down to their hosting packages. Makigo Host has 3 basic plans: Go Basic, Standard, and Go Unlimited. But because we are getting started, let's choose their basic plan. Okay, now let me explain to you the features that come with the basic plan. With the basic plan, you can only host one website. You get 20 gigabyte SSD storage. Makigo Host is offering SSD and not HDD. Let me explain to you the difference. Now let's go to Google and then make a quick Google search on SSD versus HDD. Hit enter. Please click on images. Please click on this image. Now let's compare the two. When it comes to speed, SSD is faster than HDD. You can make most Google search on these storage technologies. Okay, SSD versus HDD. So looking at it, SSD is better than HDD. All right, so let's go back there, and then they have unlimited bandwidth, unlimited FTP accounts. You'll be able to set up 10 business emails. Having a website online, you need a business email. Every new client gets a free .com domain name for 1 year, and the renewal price is the same, and then 24/7 technical support, uptime guarantee 99.9. The longer you go, the bigger you save. Okay, so let's go ahead and then purchase the Go Basic plan from makigohost.com. Click on Other Hosting. You will be redirected to a domains registration page. This is where we're going to register our domain name. Please go ahead and enter your domain name here. If you already have a domain name somewhere and you want to transfer it over to Makigo Host, this is where you choose here, and then you enter your domain name and click on transfer. If you have an existing domain name somewhere, this is where you choose, and then you put your domain name here and then click on use. In this case, I'm going to register a new domain name, so I'll go with the first one and then I'll enter my domain name here. So I'll just put a testing domain name here and let's see. So this is my domain name, solo test, and then I pick my TLD, which is .com, .net, .org. This is where you pick your TLD. So if you want a .com domain name, please pick the first one. If you want .net, .org, in that order. I want to go with the .com domain name, so I'll leave it as default, and then I'll click on check. Now I'm going to check whether this domain name is available, and if it's available, it will tell us the domain name is available. And unfortunately, solomontest.com is not available because someone registered it and is in use. Example is, if I type google.com here, I'll not be able to register this domain name because it is already owned by Google. And you can see google.com is unavailable. So what you have to do is to get creative and then come up with your own unique address. So I'll simply remove it and I'll put solotutorials.com and then click on check to see whether this domain name is still available or it has been taken. And congratulations, solomontutorials.com is available, and that means I can claim ownership of this domain name. So what we need to do after we get this congratulations message is we'll simply click on continue. And right now .com domain name is free on Makigo Host for 1 year, so you simply click on to continue. And you'll be redirected to this page. This way you choose your billing cycle, whether you want to go with them monthly, yearly, quarterly. Okay, so this way you choose that. I want to go with them yearly, like this, and then you go down and there are some add-ons you can add to your cart if only you find them necessary. Okay, SEO. But for tutorial purpose, I'm going to leave everything as it is, and then I'll click on continue. You will be taken to a domains configuration page, and this way you choose DNS management, ID protection, and email forwarding. Please, if you have the cash, go ahead and pick ID protection, because it's going to protect your own identity on the internet. So you can pick that, but for now I don't have cash, so I'll untick it and then come down and click on continue. If you have reached to this part, congrats, because we are almost done. So this review and checkout page, you review your cart, the items that are in your cart or your basket, and then you can see everything is looking good and our domain name is free here. Okay, so we are only paying for the hosting, which is $299 every month. Multiplied by 12 months, you get this amount, that's annually. And then we scroll down and we have our add-ons here. If you want, you can add any of these to your cart, but for tutorial purposes I'm not going to do that. Now in the description of this video you see a coupon code TUP50, so go ahead and type TUP50 and you're going to get 50% off. This is a special deal for you. Okay, I've partnered with Makigo to give you 50% off. So just click on validate code. Congratulations, the promotion code is accepted. Now you're going to pay almost $18 today, and then you renew it as normal, which is going to be $48, because by then your domain name would be expired. Okay, so we click on checkout to make our purchase. Okay, to make payment. After you click on checkout, you're taken to this checkout page, and this is where you enter your personal data, your first name, last name, your email, your phone number, your password. Okay, and Makigo uses what we call password generator in order to get a secured password. That way it will be very difficult for hackers to compromise your account. You can increase the length of your password by putting something like 20 here, so that your password will be a little bit longer. Okay, and then you click on generate new password. You can see it has increased in what number. Then you click on copy, and then you can also click on copy to clipboard and insert like this, and your password is going to be inserted here for you. But make sure you paste your password somewhere safe, because you're going to forget this password, trust me. So just paste it somewhere in a notepad. After that, go ahead and then choose your country. Okay, this is very simple. Choose your country, and then we have 3 options here to make payment. The first one is Flutterwave, and we have Paystack, and then we have Encrypto. So if you have something like Bitcoin, you can go ahead and then make your payment using one of your digital wallets. So I'll fill my details and get to you on the other side of the screen. Alright, so after you click on complete order, you're taken to an invoice page just like this, and then you have the options to pick any of your payment providers, your favorites, and then the one I'm going to pick is Flutterwave, and beneath you can see a summary of your invoice and everything here. Okay, so I'll just click on here and then choose Flutterwave and then wait. Go ahead and enter your card number, click on pay. If you want, you can also pay with Google Pay, and this is my favorite, okay, because I have Google Pay connected to my Gmail. So I'll just click on Google Pay and then click on pay with Google Pay, and it will take me to my Gmail account, and then I'll make payment. Once payment is made, you will be redirected to your hosting dashboard or your client's area. Okay, so this is your client's area. In your case, you have one service here with one domain name. In my case, I don't have a domain name here because my domain name is somewhere, and that's the one I'm using to make my tutorials. This video is not about web hosting and cPanel, but if you want to learn about hosting accounts, how to manage your hosting account and your cPanel, how to create your business email, how to do what we call email forwarding, that way anytime you receive an email into your business email, it gets forwarded to your Gmail account. I'll have a video in the description or in the card that will be talking to you about everything you need to know about your hosting account. I'll be walking you through everything about your hosting account as well as your cPanel. With that being said, let's go ahead and start building our website. This is one of the moments we have all been waiting for, because in this part of the video, we're going to set up our dashboard. Our dashboard is a vital part of the website, and that's the engine of our site, because this is where we're going to be setting up our plans and then assigning users and giving them features on what to do and what not to do. Okay, so we're able to add plans, but we'll reserve this topic when we finish with our dashboard. So to set up your dashboard, we need to create a subdomain. Okay, after you purchase your domain name, it's going to be like this. All right, it's going to look like this. This is your main domain name, and this is where we're going to install our front end. Okay, this is where we're going to host our front end, but our dashboard is going to be hosted on a subdomain name like this. Okay, so we're going to have something like this. We'll create a subdomain name and then we'll host our dashboard on this address. Okay, so let's go ahead and create a subdomain name. To do that, go back to your hosting account and then click on services. Please click on your hosting plan. Click on cPanel. Okay, this link to log into your cPanel. Once you land on cPanel, on top here, type domain. Okay, just type domain and click on this first link. Please go ahead and click on create a new domain. Go ahead and enter your domain name here. Okay, so we're going to create a subdomain. All right, but before that, make sure you click here. Perfect. Now enter your domain name here. So I will put something like dashboard. You can enter whatever name you want. Okay, you can also put clients dot, and then you put the name of your domain name here. Okay, so you can put clients, you can put dashboard, whatever you want, but just take note that this is what your people are going to see. They will be redirected to this domain name, this subdomain name. So I'm going to put something like maybe dashboard or app. Okay, so dashboard dot the main domain name. So my main domain name is this, so you go ahead and copy it, and then we paste it in here like this. All right, so it's going to be dashboard dot my domain name dot ml, but in your case it's going to be .com or .net. Okay, please scroll down a bit and click on submit. Okay, just click on submit. Make sure you untick this, all right, and just click on submit and wait. And successful. Let's copy our subdomain name and then open it in a new tab, paste it here, hit enter. Now if you see this error, don't panic, your domain name is still propagating. Okay, so just put https ps like this, and then go ahead and remove this part of it and hit enter again. And here we go, our domain name, our subdomain is live. Okay, excellent. Let's continue. Let me take you to cPanel, and then click on tools, and then click on file manager. You should see your subdomain name listed here. Okay, so this is your subdomain name here. Please open it. We are going to install our dashboard. Okay, so this is where we're going to install our dashboard. So where do we get our dashboard? Right, something like this. Where do we get this? All right, you need to program it manually. So we're going to program this dashboard. I'm just kidding. We're not going to use any code here. We're going to use a pre-designed script from Codecania. So we're going to purchase a script that is already made script that has all the features. Now, if we were to program everything from scratch, then we will need 3 basic languages, or even 4. We need a language like HTML plus CSS plus, so HTML will be the structure of the site, CSS will be the beauty of the site. Okay, so that's the design of it. JavaScript, so let's put JavaScript plus a programming language like PHP will be added. Okay, and then plus MySQL like this, in order to have a fully functional site. And all these languages are on their own. You need to learn them independently. Okay, and these languages are like French, Japanese, a language that you don't understand. All right, but if you are good at coding, this would not be a problem. But those of you who cannot do that, then we need to purchase a script and then follow step-by-step instruction to install it on your subdomain name. So we are not going to program anything. All right, so in the description of this video, you see a link that will take you to a page just like this, and this Codecania. Okay, this is where we get PHP scripts, WordPress themes, mobile apps, right? Good. We'll be using the number one bulk SMS gateway script on Codecanion, which comes with a mobile app that you can give to your users. It also comes with a SaaS version. So let's scroll down a bit. It comes with a SaaS version, and that means you can sell it as a service with the regular license. You can add plans with message limits, contact limits, and devices limits. It provides PayPal integration, which allows you to process credit card and debit card. Don't worry, if your country does not support PayPal, I have you covered. Scroll down. It also comes with a white labeling capability or features. And that means you can completely white label this script to make it look like yours. The first thing you can white label is the app, okay? You can change the logo of the app, the name, the server URL, and customize it. It's very simple to do. And beneath are some of the features of this script. And I have already explained to you some of these features, and I walked you through a live demonstration. We sent bulk SMS. It also supports MMS, and then it's SaaS ready. It is completely white labeled. It works in the background, and a lot of good things that you can think of. So in total, you're going to be spending $18, which is the hosting, and we are giving you 50% off. So you'll be paying $18 plus 79. You'll be paying $97 in total to get a fully functioning online business. Now, if you don't want that and you think setting up everything is a lot complicated, don't worry, I have you covered. I'll be charging you $90 to build the entire system for you. All you need to do is to go out there and get clients, get customers, get users, paying users for your platform, and start making cash. Okay, so $90. Take action now before I change my mind and increase it to $150. All right, so I'll build the entire system for you. But for those of you who want to continue the tutorial, no problem. In the description of the video, you see a link. Click on that link. It will take you to this part of the screen, and then you go ahead, purchase this script. Okay, so you add it to cart. I'll go ahead and buy this script, and then we'll upload it onto our web server. Let me show you the next steps you need to take after purchasing your script. Your script is going to come in this zip format. It's going to look like this. Please, we are first of all going to extract or unzip our zip file. So right click on it and click on extract files. Please click on OK. Once the folder is unzipped, open it. So double click, and it's going to look like this. Okay, please double click on it again to open, and you're going to see some folders like this. One is a documentation folder, and this is what you're going to use to, what is going to guide you on how to go by installing it on your server. But because I'm here, don't worry about the documentation folder. Just watch or just follow my step-by-step instruction. Next up, you're going to have another subfolder, and this might vary. Okay, so my folder is called script. Okay, so this is where the core files are. Okay, this is the core script. This is the one we are going to use. Okay, so go ahead and open that script folder, whatever that folder is called. Go ahead and open it. Please right click on it, and then we're going to zip it. All right, zip, and then click on zip, because this is the folder we'll be uploading onto our web server. That folder contains the necessary core files we need for the site to work. Okay, so we are done zipping this subfolder. We are now going to our web server to upload this folder. I'll take you to our web server, and this cPanel, click on File Manager. Please locate the subfolder, the subdomain name we created. In our case, we created dashboard.ourdomainname.com. So this is the subdomain name. Open it, double click to open. Good. This is where we're going to upload that script we get purchased. So I'll click on upload. And then I will drop my file here. Okay, for this I'll take you back to my desktop. Then I'll open my extracted folder, open again, and then this is the file. So I'll just grab it and send it to my browser, and then I'll drop it here. Okay, so just drop it there. And this is a small file, right? It will not take time to get uploaded. When the upload is successful, you see this green bar. Otherwise, you see a red bar. In our case, we have our second file successfully uploaded. So now just click on back here. Okay, click on this link. When you see the green bar, good. This is our file, our zipped file. There's one thing you need to do, very, very important. Click on settings and then click on show hidden files. After that, click on save. Please go ahead and delete ht access. Delete this file. Okay, delete it. So I'll go to delete and then here and click on confirm. Now we are deleting that file because the script comes with its own ht access file, so we don't want them to be duplicates. Okay, all right, please click on it like this. Just select it and then here click on extract. But before that, let me take you to the web browser. Open your subdomain, which is dashboard.yourwebsitename.com. Reload it and you should see the script. All right, as you can see, it's here. Now let's extract it. So click on extract and click on extract files and wait for a while. Success. When you see this, it means it's successful. Now, I hope you can remember, I told you the script comes with htaccess file. So this is it, right? It's included. So we click on close. Next, let's delete our zip file because it's no longer needed. Also, it is eating up your server space. So you click on it once and then click on delete and then skip the trash and click on confirm. Open our extracted folder, click on select all and click on move. Make sure you clear this scripting. Okay, just clear it to this part and then click on move files. Now our files, the core files for the script, are now moved to the directory, the root directory of your subdomain name. So now let's go and open our subdomain in a new tab, right? And then load it. And you should see something like this. And make sure everything is marked like this, and that. If you're using macuhost.com, everything is going to be perfect. You don't need to do any configurations, right? Everything will be fine. So click on next. Excellent. So this is where we're going to enter our database name, username, database password, Firebase server key. I will be showing you how you can get your server key, your sender ID, and this is what you're going to be, your website is going to be using to send out messages. All right. So let's go ahead and create our database. To create your database, go back to your cPanel and click on cPanel. Okay, this logo. Please, top here, click on it and type DB. Okay, just type DB. But click on my SQL databases like that. So we're going to create our database name, which is the first one. So I enter my database name. I'll click here and then enter my database name. You can enter any name of your choice. So I'll put SMS DB, that's database, and I'll put name to it. This is the name of my database, SMS DB name, and then I'll click on create. Our database is created. Please copy this database name. Just copy it. Copy. Go back to your installation page, and then we're going to enter our database name here. So just click here and then paste your database there like this. Let's go back and then click on back. Scroll down and we're going to create database username. Okay, so here I'll put SMS DB user. Okay, and then I'll click on password generator, and then I'll copy my passwords, copy, make sure this password you paste it here, so database password, and then just paste it there. After that, we go back to our database page, and then I'll click on I have copied this password, and then I'll just click on use password. After that, I'll click on what? Create user. Our database user has been created. So let's copy our user, which is here. Copy, go to our installation page, and then we'll put our database user here, and then we paste it there. Excellent. Database host, please go ahead and put local host there. Local host, just put local host. Fantastic. Let's go back to our database page. Click on back. Scroll down, down, and we're going to connect our database to our user. Click on user and select the user we created, which is this one, and then click on database and select the database we created, which is this one. After that, click on add. Make sure this is the user you added on your installation page here. Okay, so make sure whatever that is here and here are the same things that are here and here, and then pick this. That's all privileges. Scroll down and then click on make changes. And when you see this success message, it means our users are now connected to our database. Okay, so let's go back to our installation page, and the next thing we will need to do is to enter our email. So enter your website email, and this is going to be your administrative email. This is the email you're going to use to log into your system, your administrative email. Give your website a name. So I'm going to give it as solo SMS. Password, repeat password, next we need to enter Firebase server key, Firebase sender ID, and then our purchase code. Okay, so where do we get this Firebase server key and then Firebase server ID, sender's ID? Go to Google and type Firebase and hit enter. Please click on this first link. Okay, just click on this link. Once you land on Firebase, make sure you select your Gmail account, the Gmail account you want to use to set up your Firebase account. Okay, because Firebase is a Google product, automatically they're going to pick one of your Gmail accounts, your primary Gmail, and set it up for you. If you have multiple Gmails, make sure you pick the one you are setting up with your business. Okay, after that, just click on go to console. It is going to take us to this part of our screen. Please, let's create a new project. So click on new project here, and we are going to give our project a name. For organization purposes, click on it and give it something like SMS, or enter the name of your website there. Okay, just enter the name of your website. So I'll put solo SMS like this. Wait for it. And then click on continue. Please scroll down and make sure this is enabled, and then you click on continue here. If you have a Google Analytics account, go ahead and then pick that. Okay, go ahead and pick it. So my account already has Google Analytics account, so I'm going to pick that one here, and then I'm going to create new project. So just click on create project and wait, and this project will be created. All right, so wait for it. And we are successful. Your new project is ready. So just click on continue and wait. Okay, just wait. And voila, here we go. Okay, so this is your project, solo SMS, and we are on the Spark plan. That means it's free, right? It's free. There's no credit card required. If you're going to set it up for Apple, iOS, those things, Android websites, you do that. But in this video, we only need the server key. So in order to access your server key, on top here, just click on this gear. And click on project settings. After that, go ahead and click on cloud messaging. All right, so this is what we need to set up our SMS platform. Okay, but right now it is disabled. So click on these three gears, three dots, click on manage API and Google Cloud. Once the page is loaded, please click on enable. Okay, click on enable. So I'll click on enable. Now let's go back to Firebase after you enable your API. So I'll take you back to Firebase and then reload this page. Just reload it. And now your cloud messaging API is enabled, and here is your server key. Don't worry, after this video I'll delete it. All right, or delete it. So we just click here to copy it, copy your server key, go back to your installation page, and then paste your server key here. After that, go back and then copy our Firebase sender ID. So I'll take you here, and then we have sender ID. So I just copy my sender ID from here to here, copy, and then I'll go back to my installation page, and I'll paste my Firebase sender ID. After that, I'll enter my my purchase code or my purchase key, my license key here. So don't get confused about the purchase code or your license key. Okay, so this is your license key you got from Codecania when you purchase the script. All right, so that's the license key. And after that, click on install. All right, so make sure everything is okay. Make sure you fill out everything and just click on install. And congratulations, everything is up and running. All right, please copy this link. Okay, copy this cron command. Just copy it from here to here. Copy. All right, and then go and paste it somewhere safe in your notepad, because later we'll be using this cron command. It's called cron command. We'll be using it in our web server to set up cron jobs. Okay, and then click on sign in. Now go ahead and enter your email and your password. So let me enter my email. And then I'll enter my password. After that, I'll just click on what? Sign in. Congratulations! Now you have a fully functioning SMS gateway. Alright, so this already they are giving you a pop-up to integrate your mobile device to the platform. But for now, let's wait, and then we'll do some little settings, and after that we'll go ahead and build our front end, which is very, very, very important. Okay. Hey guys, in this part of the video I'm going to help you set up your website for production. That means we're not going to start receiving money through our website. We want our website to be fully functional. Because of that, go ahead and then scroll down and click on settings. The first settings we want to do is the appearance of our website. Please go ahead and change your site name, which is here. So I'm going to change it from SMS Gateway to my website name, that's Solo SMS. Enter your website description here. Language of your website, your color scheme, choose the logo of your site. So when you change the logo, it's going to replace this logo. Scroll down and we have favicon. And I hope you all know what a favicon is. Please, a favicon is that logo you always see here, that image. This is a favicon. Go ahead and upload your logo here. Okay, so choose a logo and upload it, and it will replace it with this one. Okay, so you have something like that. Scroll down and we have our links. Please, we don't want to be using this link. Okay, this is their website link, the creator link. Okay, the developer link, the one who created the script. So please, we want to download this app. Okay, so this is the link they are going to follow in order to download your Android app. Please go ahead and then follow this link. So you open this link in a new tab. If you have IDM, that's Internet Download Manager, just click on it and then click on start download. Your app will be downloaded. So I'll just click on download. But to those of you who don't have it, let me minimize it. It will be downloaded in the background. To those of you who don't have it, just copy this link. Go to, so let me now close my Firebase and my other things this way. Excellent. So we open a new tab and then we paste our link here. Hit enter. And it's going to download our mobile app. Okay, But because I already have one downloaded in the background, I'll just pause it and then we'll go to the one that I'm downloading via my IDM. All right, so we wait for that to get downloaded, and then we'll replace it with our link. So just put something like this there. This download, this unsubscribed link, just leave it as it is. Please, this credit for now, remove it. Okay, put something like this there. Copyright, enter your website name here. So it's going to be solo SMS. Your URL, that's the copyright URL. Okay, so just link it to the website. Just put your website name here. So your website name here, your website.com. Just copy your website URL and paste it here. Copy and paste it there. After that, you click on save. Okay, so I'll just click on save. And save successfully. So later I'll be showing you how you can upload your mobile app. Okay, so we're going to upload the app to Google Drive, and then we're going to paste the link here. You can also upload it to your server, all right, and then paste the path to that app here. There are several ways of doing it, but I'll show you. Just relax. All right, this video is going to get longer. All right, so next we have SMTP. This is simple mailing transfer protocol. This is what is responsible for sending out emails. Make sure the from name, you put your website name here. From email address, enter your business email address. So I'll advise you to enter something like support at your website name.com. So I'll put something like this. But make sure you create this email in your cPanel. Okay, now for this part, which is SMTP, just click on it, enable. All right, now I have a video that will explain how you can create an SMTP server. Okay, so you have to watch that video separately because that is another part. It's a different story on its own. So just watch that video. I'll link that video in the description of this video, all right, so that you watch that. After setting up your website, you need to set up SMTP. If not, your website is not going to send out emails. Okay, they are not going to receive any email. When they register an account, they'll be expecting this email, and this is the email that is going to contain their server, their email, and their password that they will use to log into your system. So if you don't have SMTP set up, it's going to be difficult. It's not going to be possible for them to receive your emails. So go ahead and watch that video. Good. Next up is your email. Please, we are going to maintain everything as they are. Okay, just leave everything as it is, and then here we are going to link it to our own URL. Okay, because this is the URL that the developer use. Okay, so this is a link to the developer's website, but we need to link to our own website. So just click on remove link. Excellent. And then highlight it again, and then click on this, and then click on insert link. After that, enter your link here, the link to your mobile app. I'll just paste my link here and then click on confirm. All right, but make sure you paste your actual links, I beg. If not, it's not going to work for you. Next up, all you need to do, and we still have other things here, but just forget about them because they're all perfect. All right, just click on what? Save changes. So click on save changes, and then the next thing we need to do is to click on registration. Very, very important. Make sure you click here to enable it. So just click on yes. If not, your website will not accept user registrations. So just enable that, and then scroll down, and then new user limitations. Okay, so if a new user registers an account, what do you want? What is the amount of credit you want to give to the user? So for testing purposes, we want our users to only test or try out our platform for 7 days. So I'll only give them small credits, and then the number of devices they can link, please let's give them 1. Number of contacts that they can upload, please let's give them only 20, because we want to limit this. If not, they will not upgrade. And then we have expires after. So it expires after what? 7 days. That's the trial. All right, so it expires after 7 days. Put it there, 7 days. And then scroll down and we have recaptcha. I have another video talking about recaptcha. It's very simple. Put your recaptcha here, and I hope you all know what recaptchas are. Okay, that's the I'm not a robot recaptcha. When you click on recaptcha, the websites will know that you are not a robot. So let me just send you to Google and show you what a recaptcha is. And these are recaptchas. I'm not a robot. So go ahead and watch that video. Let's go back to our website. Scroll down. Okay, scroll back to the top, and then just click on payment gateway. And right now this supports PayPal. Okay, but in future versions I think they'll roll out other payment systems. So if your country supports PayPal, enable it. If it doesn't, don't worry, I have you covered. Click here and then click on live. After that, enter your client ID and your client secret from PayPal. If you don't know how to do that, there are videos that will show you how to get your client ID and your client secret keys from PayPal. Okay, but to those of you who don't have PayPal, I assume you don't have PayPal, so I'm going to give you a different alternative. But if you have PayPal, enable that there. Okay, all right, so I'll click on save. Hey guys, what I'm about to show you is very crucial to the success of your online website, your SMS platform. Please scroll down and we're going to create plans. So just click on plans, and we're going to name our plans. Before we do that, let me take you back to my demo website. We are going to create plans in our dashboard. That way, anytime a user registers an account, you will be able to sign up to assign that user to a specific plan depending on the package he or she opt in for. Okay, so we have basic, plus, and unlimited. So these are the plans we're going to be setting up in our dashboard. Okay, first plan we're going to create is the basic plan, followed by plus and unlimited. So let's go there and we create basic. So just click on it and type basic. And with the basic plans, how many devices do you want to give to this user or these users? So I guess look at what is on my website. So how many contacts? 1K contacts. Okay, and then 2K messages. So we have what? 1K contacts, that's 1000 contacts. Sorry, these devices. Okay, so enable this 1K contacts. How many devices? Let's go back there, scroll down, and then they can link up to 5 devices. So 5 devices, let's put 5 here. The credits, if they are 1K contacts, then let's give them 1K credits. Okay, 1K credits. And the price, How much? 10 per month. Okay, you can do whatever you want, so just put 10. Your currency, go ahead and pick your currency. I like USD, so I'll choose USD. Frequency, easy, once every month. Okay, so if it's yearly, choose that here. Daily, choose that here. Okay, so if it's monthly, just leave it as 1, so once every month. Now total cycle, go ahead and put 30 days, and then click on what? Create. Okay, so just click on create, and that way anytime a user signs up for an account, you can assign that user to this particular this particular plan, depending on the plan he or she opt in for. Okay, so next up we have the plus plan, so let's put plus. Number of contacts, devices that they can link, we have up to, okay, so this I need to change it. Okay, you can change it to 10, 20. I hope you get the deal now, your idea. So let's put 10 there. All right, let's put 10 there. So I'll put 10 devices. Number of contacts that they can upload, contact list. Let me check. Scroll up, and then we have 2K contacts. So we put 2000, that's 2K, like this. Credit, let's also give them the same 2K. Okay, so 2K, and then how much? I think $20. Please, your currency, or pick USD. This way, frequency, I hope it's monthly, so let's leave it as it is. So every month, and then a month, I'll say maybe 30. Just put 30 days there. All right, so that's it. And then all you need to do is to add, click on create. Just click on create and wait. And our second plan too is created. Let's create our last plan, which is the third plan, and it's called unlimited. Okay, unlimited plan. We are creating our final plan, which is unlimited. So let's put on limited. Number of devices, you want to put something like, I think when you put 99999, this should qualify it as unlimited, but let's see. I think you can set it to 0 if you want the user to only share. All right, so just leave it as 99999. All right, and then contacts, this one too, unlimited. So I think I'll just copy what is here. Credits, so the credit cannot be unlimited. Okay, please, even with web hosting providers, sometimes they say your storage is unlimited, but when you exceed certain limits, they will give you warning. Okay, something like uploading videos onto the server, they give you warning. They will ask you to either host your videos on a video hosting platforms like YouTube or even somewhere else, and not on their servers. So even the credits cannot be unlimited like that, but I think you have to just give it a bigger value. Okay, so I think something like 500,000, so 1 2 3 will be okay. Okay, and then after that they can maybe you can increase it later. Okay, so get creative and do your own things here. And I want to bill them yearly, so this is going to be $100. great, and then USD. Scroll down, and then we have yearly, and then you put 365 days. Okay, so just put 365, and then you click on what? Create. Good job. So now we have our 3 plans: basic, plus, and unlimited. We have to test this platform, but before we test it, let's go ahead and build our front end, connect our front end to our dashboard, and then we put ourselves in the shoe of a regular user, come in, register an account, and see how all works. Okay, so let's go ahead and build our front end to look something like this. All right, so we still have a lot of work to do. Okay, so let's go ahead and continue. All right, so in this part of the video tutorial, we're going to install WordPress. Let's go to our cPanel, and if you don't know what WordPress is, let me explain. WordPress is a content management system. Okay, it's a platform we use to build websites without touching a single line of code. So go to your cPanel and type software. Okay, just type software, and then click on Softaculous Apps Installer. All right. Scroll down and click on install. Okay, so WordPress is the first script on the installation page. Click on install, please choose your secured protocol. Make sure you pick HTTPS. Okay, in order to get a secured connection. After that, go ahead and choose your primary domain name. Okay, so for this I'll take tutorials.ml. Make sure in directory is empty, leave it as empty. Okay, and then give your site a name. So I'll put solo SMS. Site description: SMS gateway. Okay, gateway. Password, so enter your password and your username. Okay, so I'll put something like this, and then like this. Okay, enter your admin email. Make sure you have access to this email, because in case you forget of your password, then this is the email they're going to send you the verification code. So make sure you enter an email address you have access to. And here, make sure you choose your primary domain, not this subdomain name, your primary domain name. Okay, your subdomain name is where we installed our script, our dashboard. So make sure it is on the primary domain name. Don't confuse that. If not, you're going to mess up the whole thing. So we scroll down, down, and then click on install. Okay, click on install and wait. Congrats, you have successfully installed WordPress. Now you are provided 2 links. The first link is your website address, which is your landing page or your home page. The second link is for administrative dashboard, and this where you are going to be managing your website. So this link is for you, the website owner. So we'll open this link in a new tab. So I'll hold Control and click on this link, and then click on this link, and these links are opened in a new tab like this. So this is our first link, and this is how our website looks currently. The second link, which is our administrative link, is where we're going to be managing our website. So this is where we're going to manage our website pages, the appearance of our website, plugins, settings, and any other general settings concerning our website. I'll go ahead and show you the basic settings you need to know about your WordPress dashboard, and after that we'll install our WordPress themes, plugins, and the necessary things we need in order to build our homepage, okay, our landing page. So this website is going to be a one-page site, all right, and after that we'll also create menus for our site. Okay, so let's go ahead and see how that is done. Let's install our theme. Hover on appearance and click on themes. The theme is responsible for the design, the look of your website. Okay, so we need to install a theme. On top, click on add new. There are two ways of installing a theme. The first way is to upload it, okay, to download it and then upload it onto your dashboard. But we are going to search for it manually here. So type Astra. And then click on install. Okay, this is the theme we want to install. So click on install. Our theme is installed successfully. Let's activate it. So we click on activate. Good job. Theme activated. Please, on top, click on get started. You are taken to a page like this. Please click on exit to dashboard. Let's create our menus. So we hover on appearance and then we click on menus. We give our menu a name, so we put primary menu here. So let's put primary menu and then click on create menu. Next, we assign our pages to our menu, but now for now we don't have pages, so all we need to do is to create custom links. Okay, we're going to create custom links. So click on this drop down and then put a hash. So the first menu we're going to create is put home and click on add to menu. Pricing. Click on add to menu. Let's go to our demo site. So we have home, pricing, features, about us, contact us, features, about us. Contact us. Good. Let's click on save menu. Okay, let's click on save menu beneath here. Excellent. Our primary menu has been saved. Let's create our home page. So we hover on pages and we click on all pages. Let's delete these two sample pages. So we click on this and then click on bulk action and move them to trash. Okay, apply. On top, click on add. Let's close this thing and then we enter our page title. So I'll put home and then click on publish. Again, we click on publish. Good. Now let's click on this WordPress logo to view our pages. This is going to be the only page you would need on the site, which is home page, because this website is a single page website, and because of that we need only the home page. After that, go to settings and then go to regions. Okay, click on region. Please click on static page and then on the home page select your page, which is home. So we want this page to be our home page. Okay, after that scroll down and click on save changes. Next, let's change the structure of our permalinks. So we hover on permalink, we click on it. Okay, let's click on permalink. And we change the structure of our links. Click on post name, scroll down and click on save changes. Click on general. Anytime you want to change your site title, tagline, your administrative email, this way you do that. Okay, and if your website accepts users registration, please make sure you mark this and then click on save changes. Settings saved. Now let's install a plugin called Elementor. So we hover on plugins and then we click on add new. Let's click on popular. scroll down, click on install, and then click on activate. Okay, so first it's going to look like this, install. So you click on it and then click on activate. So do that. This is the plugin we want to install, Elementor website builder. So click on install. Plugin activated. Hover on pages and then click on all pages. Please click on edit. Okay, let's open it in a new tab. So open it in a new tab like this. And then on top, click on edit with Elementor. Edit with Elementor. And wait. Elementor page builder is loading. So we wait for it patiently. Welcome to Elementor Page Builder. Please close this pop-up. Excellent. Now click on this, that's starter template. And then here, click on this search and type start or startup. Okay, just startup there. Let's click on the first template. So this is the one we want to use. Scroll down and this looks good. Okay, on top, click on import template and our template is imported successfully. Please, on top, click on these 6 dots. Click on style and then delete the image. So click on remove, scroll down, click on background overlay and then delete this one as well. After that, this image to our right should be deleted. So on top here, click on this pencil, right click on it and then click on delete. Perfect. So we're going to change this text. I'll take you back to my demo site and we're going to copy whatever text that is here, which is our heading. Click on copy, go back to Elementor, click on this text. Please, let's replace it. So Control A, please Control V to paste it. Go back there. Let's copy our subheading. Click on copy, go back to Elementor, click on this pencil, click on text. Please, let's replace this text. Control V. Next up, let's change our button. So I'll click on this pencil and then I'll remove this part of it and put sending. Sending. Next up, we need to upload our image. So click on this plus. Please drag this image element, drop it inside. Excellent. Now click on choose image, click on select files. Here are my images. I'll have them in the description. If you want, you can use my images. All right, so this is the image I want to use. Okay, this is the one I want to use, so I'll double click on it and wait for it to upload. Excellent. Now let's click on select. Fantastic. So our image has been uploaded onto the page. You can change this button. Okay, you can change the text of this button. Now beneath here are our social icons. We can link them to any part of our social networks. All right, so all we need to do is to click on this pencil, and then for instance, the first one is Facebook. Okay, so let's say you want to connect this icon to your Facebook. Just click on it, and then here you can see link. Paste your share your Facebook link there. Scroll down and we have Twitter. Do that, the same thing for your Twitter icon, Instagram, LinkedIn, Medium. Okay, so this is self-explanatory. It's very, very simple. Scroll down a bit, and then we're going to delete this part of it. So just click here to delete. Good. So we're maintaining this part of it. Let's maintain it, but before that, let me take you to our demo site and scroll down, and we're done with the hero part. Okay, so scroll down. All right, so this is the part we are working on. All right, so we're going to load our image and then replace our text. So I'll take you back there, and then this image, we're going to change it. So to change this image, click on this pencil, and then here is our image. So click on choose, click on upload files, click on select file, and then this is the image we want to use. So double click on it, wait for the image to upload. Good job. Now click on select, our image is uploaded. Please, let's remove this background overlay. Okay, there's an image behind. So to do so, click on edit column, go to style. Please delete this image. All right, so click on delete, and we are done. Next, let's change the text to the right hand side of our element. Okay, so I'll take you back to my demo, and then you can remove this progress tracker if you wish. Okay, but for now, let's just copy this text. So I'll copy my text. Good. Now we'll go back to Elementor. Please, let's remove this one. All right, you can also change it to whatever text you want. I'm not going to remove it. I'll just put something like the name of inside there. So this way, I'll leave it there like that, and then I'll click on this cell. To my left, I'll paste my text there. Good. Let's just change the color of the text. So we'll click on style, and then text color, let's change it to deep blue. Good. Perfect. Next up, let's start with our paragraph. So I'll copy this text, copy, go back to Elementor, take this pencil, and you click on text, and then we replace this text. Okay, highlight everything and Control V to paste. Good job, we're done. We go back to our site, and then you can change this text to whatever text you want. Okay, so the idea now is simple. Okay, we click on this pencil, and then here we're going to outline the features of our application. Okay, so just go ahead and list any features of your application. And then a good resource you can get information from is go back to Code Canyon where you bought the script. Okay, and then you can use their text. Let me take you there and explain to you. Here we are on Code Canyon, and this is the script. Let's scroll down. Okay, now this part you can see features. Just copy these features, the features that are on Code Canyon page, copy, send it back to your sales page or your home page, and then just paste them there. Okay, so I don't want this video to be super long, all right? Because of that, I'm just going to give you the ideas. All right, so use their resource. Come back here. The next one is this one, so paste it here. Okay, scroll down. We're going to change this image, but before that, let me take you to the demo, and we'll scroll down, and this is the part we want to replace. So import bulk contact list. I'll copy it, go to Elementor, and then I'll click on this text and paste it here. Please copy this, copy. I had this text from their page. Okay, here. Then click on Elementor, click on this heading, and then we replace it here, paste. Let's change the color. So click on style, and then we click on text color, and then we click on, we pick our color. Excellent. Now let's go back to our demo, and then we'll copy this paragraph, copy Elementor, and then we click on our paragraph, we click on text, replace this text. Next, let's replace our image, but before that we'll remove this background image. So I'll click on add color, to start, and then we hover on this image and click on delete. Good. Now let's move this image. So scroll down and click on this pencil. Please, this image, let's remove it. So click on delete, and then click on choose image. Please click on upload files, select files, choose this image, that's the contact list image. Okay, so pick this one, double click, wait for it to upload. Perfect. Now let's click on select. Excellent. Remember to update your changes anytime you make them. Okay, so that good. Let's delete this section of our project. You can also leave it and modify it if you want, but I want to delete it, so I'll right click on this page, this portion of it, and click on delete. Good. Now scroll a bit and then everything will delete them. So delete. Good. Remember to update your changes. Excellent. We have successfully updated our changes. Scroll back to the top. Right click on this. Click on copy. Scroll down. And then click here and click on paste. Let's change the text and the image. But before that, let's go to our demo site. Scroll down. And it's this portion of the site that we're working on. This portion. So it's about manage users. So manage users. Copy. Go to Elementor. And then you change this. Come here. Manage users. Next. Copy this, which is add users. You are basically telling your users what they can do when they sign up. Okay, so you have to showcase your features and then you paste it here. One important thing, we need to change our image. So click on this pencil, you can delete it and then click on choose. Go to upload, select file, and then we pick the manage users image. Double click on it and wait. Please click select. Good. Now let's copy our manage users text. So I'll just grab it here. Copy to Elementor and then we paste our text here. But before that, let's click on this pencil and then click on text, highlight this text, Ctrl V, go ahead and change your features. Okay, these bullet points, change them. Next up, let's copy this one. Okay, right click on it, click on copy, scroll down. Okay, right click here, please click on paste. Good job. Let's go back to our demo site, scroll down, and then this part talks about contact list. Okay, sorry, your devices. All right, devices. So copy this text, multiple devices per account. Just copy that, go back to Elementor, please change this text. So click on the text and then Ctrl A, Ctrl V, please go ahead and change this text. All right, and then you can also change this text. We go back there and then please copy this text, copy, Elementor, hover on our paragraph, click on text. Let's change this text, Control A, Control V, and we are done. You can change this learn more button to watch video, okay, or download PDF. It's all about what you want to achieve, okay. So you can change it to download PDF, watch video, whatever text you want, okay. Good, and we're done. So one final thing we need to do is to add our pricing section. To add your pricing, click on starter template, click on this search and type startup. Please click on the last template, which is plans. On top, click on import template. Please scroll down, and as you can see, you have your pricing section here, okay. Please delete this, go back to the top, and then delete this. Good. Click on these 6 dots, and then click on advanced, and then make sure you click here and then remove the -40. Please remove the -40 and put +120. Good. Now click on this 6 dots, and I click on style. Please click on color, and then you can change the background color of your pricing plan, okay, like this. Good. Scroll down, and we're almost done, okay. So one final thing, we need to put our about us. Let me take you down, and then our about us, okay, our about us, and then our contact details. So go ahead and click on starter templates again, and then click on block, click on this drop, and then pick about. Scroll down, and click on this one, okay, just click on it, and then on top click on import block. Finally, let's change our image. So I'll click on this pencil, and then click on delete, and then choose image, upload image, click on select files, and then I'll pick my image. After that, click on select, And it's now your job to go ahead and enter your company info here. Okay, so I'll remove this and put our about us. Okay, so I'll put our about us. Good. And one final thing, our contact details. So I'll click on data template, go to blocks, click on the drop down, and then look for contact. Okay, so I'll scroll down and then click on contact. Please pick the one that interests you the most. Okay, so you don't have to copy what I do. Okay, you can also do your own things. So the one I'll choose is this one. Okay, this one. So I'll click on it. And on top, click on import block. Import it. Next, let's edit our details. So go ahead and click on this pencil, and to your left you can click on it, any item, and then change your address. Beneath, click on this telephone number, change it to your telephone. Click on this email address and change it to your email. Using Elementor, which is a page builder, the one we're using to build this web page, is very simple. All you need to do is to click on this edit thing, this pencil thing, and that's it. You are done. You'll be able to change your text. Let's say, for example, we want to change this, our timing here. We'll just click on this pencil, and then to your left you'll be able to change it. Very, very simple. So we're done. Let's go ahead and then change our pricing. So I'll only help you change one, and then you apply that knowledge for the rest of them. Okay, so the first one is our basic plan. So on top here, just click on this free and then change the free to basic. Okay, basic. And then the price, just hover on the price and change it to your pricing. All right, so I'll change it to 10 per month. You can also change the color of it, okay, which is very simple. On top, click on style, and then you'll be able to change the text color to whatever color you want. Very simple. And our text here, we do the same thing. Just click on it and then click on text, and you'll be able to change your text. So let me go to my demo site and see what is there. Perfect. So on the demo site, I have start sending bulk SMS to your customers. So I simply copy this, and then I'll go to Elementor page builder, and then I'll just replace it with this one. Please, let's delete this one, and then beneath you click on delete. Okay, if you cannot see that, let me help you visually. So I'll go up like this, and then click on right click, and then you can see delete. Click on it. Good. Please, let's duplicate this one. Right click on it, and then duplicate. Click on duplicate. Excellent. Now let's go to our demo and grab our data from this. So the first one is 1K contacts. So I'll go to Elementor, and then I'll click on this pencil, please click on the first item, and then I'll put 1K contacts. Please, your icons, we're going to change our icons colors. For that, we want style, and then you can see icons. Click on icon. Please change the color to something like green. So this is my favorite color. You can use your own colors. Okay, after that, go back to content. Please click on the second item, and then we'll go to our demo and see what is there. And we have 2K messages. So we'll go back there, and then we're going to put 2K messages. So I'll remove this, and then put 2K messages like this, and we are done. Let's go back to our demo, and we have send bulk SMS and 1 gig storage. So we scroll up, click on this, and then we change it to send bulk SMS, and then the storage is going to be 1 gig. Well, that's 1 GB, 1 GB storage. Good. Next, our second portion of the page, sorry, the plan, which is this one. So personalized messages. All right, so let's copy that. Click on copy, and then go to Elementor. Please click on progress, and then we remove it and put our text there. Remember to change the color of your bullet point. So click on style, and then we click on icons. Please change the color to our apple green. Now let's go back to our content, and then our second one, let's check, and is scheduled messages. So copy that, copy, and I'll go to Elementor, and please guess here, that's scheduled messages. Next up, send auto-response, sorry, set auto-responders. Go back to end. So now you get the deal. Okay, idea. The concept is simple, guys. I'll paste it here. Good. And then I'll pick, let me pick the last one. Okay, go ahead and apply the knowledge you have acquired. Do the right thing. So I'll click on the last one, highlight it and paste it there, and after that I'll just click on what? Update beneath. Please, our buttons, let's change it to try now. So I'll click on this pencil, and then I'm going to change it to now, like this, and then the same thing, I'll add that to this one, and I'll put try now, and then finally our last button, I'll also change it towards try now. Good. We can change the color of our button. So let's click on style. Anytime you want to change color of something, you click on style, and then the button color is here. Just click on it, and then we're going to change it to this color, like this. Click outside here, and then click on update changes. Just click on update. After that, scroll back to the top, and please, we want our plans to have a margin top. Okay, so just click on this edit element thing, click on advanced. Please put 20 here. Do the same for the rest of them. So just click here, advance, put 20, and then this one too, click here, advance, and then put 20 here. Now please click on this plus. Good. Click on here, and then put anchor an. Just type an, drag this element and drop it here. Good. Now inside here, just type pricing. Type pricing. Okay, pricing. Remember your spelling, the way you spell it. Okay, pricing. Make sure you spell it right. Pricing. Good. Scroll down, and then this is your about us. Okay, this is your about us. Click on this 9 dots, the same an, drag it and drop it here. Okay, just drop it there. Inside here, type about. Okay, all small letters. Okay, about. Scroll down, and this is your contact section of the website. Okay, so click on this again, put anchor ANC, drag it, and then drop it here. Inside here, put contact, like this. Now let me take you to the top. We are creating anchor menus just like that. Okay, anchor menus, and this will make sense shortly. All right, so now the last thing is our features. So just click on this plus, click on 9, and then type another anchor ANC, drag it, drop it here, and then put features. After that, go ahead and click on update. Okay, just click on update. Good. So now what we just created are what we call anchors. We're going to link them to our menus. That way, anytime a user clicks on any of the links, the menus, is going to take the user to that particular portion of your screen. An example is these features. So if a user clicked on, we are yet to set up the menus. If a user click on features, it's going to automatically take the user to this part of it. Okay, so we are done with the home page, guys. Let's now go ahead and then set up our anchors. So I'll take you back to the dashboard. Now here we are in our dashboard. Please hover on appearance and then click on menus. And this is the last part of the tutorial. Okay, after that we'll now link the two. Good. Please, you see this home, click on it and then click on what? Add to menus. Delete our first home. Okay, delete it like this and drag this home to the top like this. Please click on this drop down and then you can see this URL. You see this hash, leave it as it is and just put the name of your anchors, those we set up on the home page. So put pricing, and I said you should remember them because we will need them shortly. So now we're making use of them. Here to click and put features. Scroll down here and put about. Just put about and then click on the contact and then type contact. After that, click on changes. Okay, now one final thing we're going to do is to assign our menus to each location. So let's just click on what? Primary menu and then click on save changes. If not, the menus will not display on our website. Okay, good. Now let's go to our website. To open your link in a new tab, just open the website and then this is my website. Now let's reload it. And here we go. Now we have home. When I click on pricing, it's going to take us to the pricing. Okay, and there's a button here you can click. It will take them back to the top. When I click features, it's taking us to features. When I click on about, it's going to take us to the about. And then when I click on contact, it's going to take us to the contact. And we're almost done. So one final thing we're going to do is to hook up the two. That's the dashboard we created and then our front end. And after that we say bye bye to this video. Now to connect your dashboard, and I hope you can remember your dashboard. That's where your script is installed. And we install it inside a subdomain, dashboard.websitename.com. Okay, so to install your dashboard, make sure you log out of the system, okay, or you open it in a different browser or in a private window. If not, you will not have access to this register. Okay, so copy this register link. Just copy this link because we want visiting users to be able to register. So after you copy that link, now go back to your development page and then we're going to hook it up. So after copying that link, make sure you link it to start sending. Okay, so just click here and then we paste that link here. That way, anytime a user clicks on start sending, it will take the user to a registration page. After that, we'll test this out. Okay, scroll down, and I think that's even the most important thing. So we're done with that part. Just click on update and our home page is ready. Okay, next let's go ahead and create our login menu. So I'll take you back to menus, and here we are. Please, we're going to create a menu which is going to be a custom link. So just click on this drop down please make sure you paste the login link to your dashboard. Okay, so we can click on this sign in, and already we are on the sign in. Okay, so just copy the dashboard link. Just copy the dashboard link. Go back to this part, and then you paste that link here, and then here type login like this, and click on add to menu. That's not all. Here click on save menu, guys, and we are done. So what final thing we're going to do is to cater for our app, okay, the mobile app. So make sure you open Google Drive. We're going to upload it to Google Drive and copy the link. After we copy that link, we'll go to emails, and then we're going to link that to this particular area. Let's link it here. I hope you know how to upload things to Google Drive. If you don't know how to do it, let me show you very quickly. But before that, make sure you have access to the app. Okay, so they provided a link to the app. Just copy that link, open it in a new tab, and then you'll be able to download this app. I have my app downloaded already. Okay, and it's here. So open your Google Drive, just type drive.google.com, and it will open up this way. To upload your app, just click on new, and then click on file upload. After that, pick your app and wait. After the app is uploaded successfully, go ahead and reload Google Drive. Just reload it. And now this is your app, SMS gateway. Okay, go ahead and right click on your app, and then click on get link. Please click on restrict. Okay, and then choose anyone with link. Okay, click on copy link, copied, and then we click on done. Nice, we're done. So that means you can give this link to anyone, and then they can go ahead and download your file. Okay, go back to your SMS gateway. Please make sure you highlight the here text, and then click on this, and then click on remove link. After that, click on it again and click on insert link. Please paste the link you copied your Google Drive, and then click on confirm. And we are done. Scroll down, and then click on save. Okay, and one final thing we are yet to do, go to general, scroll down, and then we also paste the Android link here. Make sure you paste it here as well. Excellent. And this is the this link. Okay, so when you save the changes, they can download it via this part of it. Okay, one final thing we are yet to do is our credit. So make sure you link this to a payment link or your pricing link. So I'll put my website address here, and then after you put your website address, put backslash and then put pricing. If you also have a payment link that you want them to buy credit directly from, you can just provide your payment link here and then click on save changes. Hey guys, let's make some quick changes to our website. So I'll take you back to Elementor, which is our page builder. Open your Elementor page builder and then scroll down. Let's go to pricing section. Okay, so let's scroll down. Okay, and we're going to change our pricing plans. Let's change the first plan to free. Okay, so we want this plan to be a freemium plan. Change it to free. Just enter free, and then we change the price to $0. Okay, change the price to $0. I'll explain to you why we are doing this. Okay, and then we change the month to 7 days. Just put 7 days there. Okay, 7 days. So our freemium plan, we want our users to test our application for only 7 days. All right, and then our basic plan, which is $10 per month. This is going to make a lot of sense when I'm done. So let's put 10 here, and you leave everything as they are. Okay, and then scroll down and change the try now button to buy now. Okay, so change it from try now to buy now, or purchase, or place an order. So put buy now. Buy now. Likewise, our third button, also change that one to buy now. Let's put buy now. Later we're going to be linking these buttons to our payment links. Our third plan, let's change its name to Pro. So type Pro, and we want this plan to be billed every year. So I'll put there yearly. So yearly, this way. Don't forget to change your value to something like $100. And this is for test demonstration purposes. Go ahead and change it to your own figures. All right, so now I'm going to copy my payment links and then paste them to our buttons. So how do we get our payment links? Please, you can make a quick Google search or YouTube search on how to create payment links, okay, on one of your favorite payment providers. Okay, so I'm going to Google and make a quick Google search how to create payment links on PayPal, Paystack, Flutterwave, Stripe, or any of your favorite payment providers. I also have a video on my channel showing you how to create a payment link on Paystack or even Flutterwave. Okay, I'll be doing that for you. So I'm going to paste my payment links. I'm going to link my payment links here on the home page, okay, on our buttons. Let's do that now. I created my payment links off camera, so I'm going to copy my links I'll take you to my notepad, and then the first link I'm going to copy is my basic package link. Okay, so this is our link to our basic package. I'll take you back to Elementor page builder, and then to link that to this button. So just replace it here, paste, go to our notepad, copy our pro plan payment link, go to Elementor page builder where you are building your web page, and then we're going to replace that here and paste. After that, update your changes, and guys, we are done. We have successfully linked packages to our payment links, and this is for those of you who don't have PayPal in your countries, or who are looking to add payment links to your packages instead of using PayPal. And I understand some countries PayPal is not supported, so this is going to help you people be able to accept payment from your users. All right, so we're done with our packages. Let's go ahead and then test our application and see how it works, and after that we'll say bye bye to this video. Don't forget to change your plans in your dashboard. So let's go ahead and click on plans, scroll down, and then we are deleting the unlimited plan. Okay, so let's just delete this one. So I'll click on this and then click on remove and then delete. Don't forget to delete your plus plan. So we are deleting the two plans, that is the plus plan and the unlimited plan. Click on remove and then click on OK. Let's create a brand new plan, and we are naming it Pro. Number of devices, specify the number of devices you want your users to be able to connect to your system. So for demo purposes, I'll put something like 10. Maximum contacts, enter the number of contacts you want your users to be able to upload onto your platform. So I'll put 999 to make it unlimited. Go ahead and enter your own values. Credit, please enter your credit here, so something like 50,000. Price, I'll enter something like $100, but make sure the price you enter here is the same price you have on the front end. Currency, go ahead and enter USD or enter your own currency. Frequency, I will leave it as 1, and then frequency unit change to yearly because this is our yearly package. Total cycles, enter 365 and then click on create. Success, we have successfully changed our payment plans in our dashboard to match those we have on the front end. Now let's go ahead and test this application to see how it works. Hey guys, we have successfully built a bulk SMS gateway that users can create account, buy your packages, send bulk SMS to their customers. Now let's test drive our platform. Let's test our platform and see how it works. So users will land on your website just like this, and then they'll click on start sending, or they'll click on pricing. Your website is going to take them to your pricing section just like this. Your users will pick your free plan to test it for just like 7 days. So when they click on try now, it will take them to a registration page where they can register an account, which is a free account. And as you can see, this page is telling us to register for a demo. So we'll enter our first name, our email, and then enter the same email to confirm. After that, we click on register. So this is what your users are going to do when they land on your website. They are first of all going to request for a demo to give your website a trial. So let me enter my details and then see the next steps. I've entered my username and my emails. Next, I'll click on register. And we are going to get a successful message saying an email was sent to our inbox. Your users will check their inbox to verify their account. And that email will also contain vital links that they can use to access their mobile app. So let's go to our dashboard as the website owner to see how we can manage our users after they sign up an account on your platform. So I'll take you to your dashboard, which is on a different tab, and then we click on manage users, and this is where you see all the users on your platform. Please, you can manually add a user onto your platform by entering their name, email, and then you enter the same email to confirm, and then assign number of devices they can link to your platform. You can assign the number of contacts I've entered my username and my emails. Next, I'll click on register. And we are going to get a successful message saying an email was sent to our inbox. Your users will check their inbox to verify their account, and that email will also contain vital links that they can use to access their mobile app. So let's go to our dashboard as the website owner to see how we can manage our users after they sign up an account on your platform. So I'll take you to your dashboard, which is on a different tab, and then we click on manage users, and this is where you see all the users on your platform. Please, you can manually add a user onto your platform by entering their name, email, and then you enter the same email to confirm, and then assign number of devices they can link to your platform. You can assign the number of contacts they can upload onto your platform. You can also assign credits to this user, and then you can equally assign the expiry date for this user. After that, you click on create user, and that is if you want to manually add users to your platform. Now, after a user registered an account, then you're going to see the users down here, and this is the account I registered, and I'm here. You can see my name and my email. Automatically, I'm assigned to a free plan, and I hope you can remember we created a free plan, and that's if a user registers an account, they're going to be assigned automatically to this free plan. If you cannot remember, let me take you back to settings, and then we go to registration, scroll down, and as you can see, we have new user limitations, and this is where we did that. And this package or this user's account will expire in the next 7 days. Excellent. So let's go back to manage users. After 7 days, this user is going to receive an email telling him or her that the plan has expired, and so they should upgrade. So your users will click on buy credit, which is here in their dashboard. So when I click on buy credits, it's going to take me to our pricing plan or our pricing page. And this way your users are now going to buy your premium packages, one of your premium packages. So right now it's taking us to our pricing page, just like this. Your users will opt in for one of these plans. So I click on buy now, and then it's going to take me to my payment gateway, and where this is where I can make payment. And after that, after a successful payment is made, you as the website owner will create what we call subscription. Now let me show you how you can create subscription after a user opt in for one of your plans. So we'll go back to our dashboard, which is here, and then you scroll down, and then you click on subscriptions. Please, let's create a new subscription. So I click on create subscription, and then you'll be asked to pick a user. All right, so this is the user, and which plan did he or she opt in? You'll be able to pick your plan here. In this case, we are picking the basic plan. After that, you click on save, and automatically the account will be upgraded to the basic plan, which they can use for 1 month. After that, they will replace an order. So I hope the idea or the concept is simple. If you're not clear, go ahead and comment in the comment area. I'll respond to you. That's why I'm here. Okay. Hey guys, I have all resources mentioned in this video in the description of the video you are watching. Remember to check them out, because they're going to help you. Those videos are going to help you set up a fully functioning SMS gateway. Okay, something like setting up SMTP, I have it in the resource list. I also have a video on how to create a payment link using Flutterwave as part of my resource list. I have a lot of things in the resource list. Remember to check that out. Hey guys, we have successfully completed a full course on how to build your own bulk SMS gateway. I hope you liked the video. It took me 1 week to record this video. So if you like the energy I put into these videos, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. That way, anytime videos like this are released, you are notified. Thank you very much for watching this full video, which is 2 hours. I'll see you in my next episode. Take care.